Hello guys, welcome back. Ton of the inspo. For today's video, here going to show you fix missing field review in Google Search Console. SEO Shopify. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Shopify store here or your Shopify SEO and the review field for Google Search Console is not appearing, well, in this case, there is something that you could try doing here. Now, the problem with this one is currently it's going to be a backend problem. Now, in order for you to get this fixed, you need to reach out to the appropriate channels, or in this case, we need to get the appropriate support for this one. So you could actually access the support page for Shopify here, either by going to the search bar here, just typing support. Now, to be speaking, this will open up the option here for Shopify support, and just click on it. It should open up a new tab here to contact support. But there is another way of accessing this. So click on the My Store at the top right here and just click on Help Center, and it will achieve the same thing. Now, from here, as you can see at the right side here, you just need to type in the following, which in this case, you want to basically explain that you want to contact support or talk to a representative. Now, just make sure to explain the problem that you're currently experiencing right now, because most likely they will be able to help you with fixing this issue. Now, some problems with Shopify here might be a backend problem or a problem with your account. They can give you further steps or details on what you can do to fix this one. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.